Welcome back to the channel Valuable Coins History Coin Enthusiasts. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating story of the 1965 Elizabeth II two-shilling coin, also known as a florin. This historic coin not only carries a young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, but also represents the final years of Britain's old pre-decimal currency system. From its elegant design featuring the national emblems of the United Kingdom to its role as a bridge toward decimalization, this coin is more than just money. It's a true piece of British history. Let's dive into the full legacy of the 1965 two-shilling coin. Top 2 first up. The story of the 1965 two shillings coin is not just about metal and numbers, but about history, heritage, and hidden fortune. At first glance, this coin may look ordinary, a simple piece of copper-nickel from the mid-20th century. But in reality, it carries with it an aura of mystery, a legacy from an era where the British currency still breathed the air tradition before the decimalization of 1971 changed everything forever. Those who hold this coin today are not just collectors. They are keepers of a relic that bridges past generations with present-day fortunes. In 1965, Great Britain was under the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. The nation was still healing from the scars of war, while stepping confidently into modernity. The 2 shillings coin of that year bore the proud royal crown Tudor Rose at its center, surrounded by thistle, shamrock, and leek, the symbols of the United Kingdom's 4 nations. On the obverse was a youthful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, carved by Mary Gillick. This coin was not merely a medium of exchange. It was a small, shining flag of unity for the empire. The coin's very composition adds to its mystique. Though it appears like a common copper-nickel issue, time and rare minting errors have created variants that today are considered unimaginably valuable. Some coins display unusual copper toning on their surfaces, giving them a reddish hue instead of a usual silvery shine. These copper-sided examples are extremely rare, often mistaken at first for ordinary discoloration. But in truth, they are highly sought after by serious collectors who know the difference between a flaw and a fortune. What makes this coin so extraordinary is not only its age, but also its survival in good condition. Most 1965 two shillings circulated heavily, passing through countless hands to buy bread, tea, newspapers, or bus fares. To find one today in crisp, well-preserved condition, with its edges sharp, its inscriptions clear, and its shine intact, is almost like discovering buried treasure. Condition is everything in numismatics. And when it comes to this coin, good condition transforms it from pocket change into a key to wealth. Collectors around the world know that coins are not just pieces of metal, but vessels of history. The 1965 two shillings coin is a reminder of a time just before the world shifted. In 1971, Britain adopted decimal currency, and the shillings were replaced by the new system. What was once used daily suddenly became obsolete. Yet, because of that very transition, these coins gained their immortal value. Every shilling from that era whispers of a Britain that is past, a Britain that can only be held in the palm of your hand through coins like these. The fascination with this particular coin has grown even stronger because of its rarity in pristine form. Imagine walking through an antique shop, rummaging through an old box of coins, and stumbling upon a shiny 2 shillings with the copper side glowing like firelight. At that moment, you may not realize it, but you are holding a piece worth more than gold. Its market value is not limited to hundreds or thousands, but in extraordinary cases, it can reach heights that defy imagination, prices that climb into the realm of millions when rarity, demand, and condition align perfectly. One reason behind its sky-high value lies in the psychology of collectors. People are not just buying coins, they are buying dreams. For a wealthy collector, owning the rarest form of a 1965 two shillings coin is like owning the crown jewel of a collection. It is proof of status, dedication, and passion. The price they are willing to pay often breaks all logical barriers, and that is why such coins can make their owners overnight millionaires. The journey of such a coin is magical. Perhaps it was once carried in the pocket of a soldier returning home, or given as change to a young student on her way to school. Over time, it passed quietly through history, waiting patiently until the modern world rediscovered its worth. Today, when these coins resurface, they are treated not as currency, but as art, as relics, as fortune in metallic form. The copper-sided example especially stands out because it feels like a secret version, a variant that nature itself designed with time and chemistry. Now imagine the shock of realizing that what once bought a loaf of bread could today buy an entire estate. This is the magic that makes the 2 shillings coin of 1965 so irresistible. It shows us that value is not always obvious, and sometimes the most ordinary objects hide treasures beyond comprehension. The copper hue, the good condition, the historical significance, all come together to form a coin that can change destiny overnight. Those who hold such a coin are advised never to underestimate it. Do not spend it as ordinary change, and do not sell it too quickly. The right auction, the right buyer, and the right story can multiply its price beyond what you ever dreamed possible. Coins like these have the power to make you wealthy not slowly, but suddenly, dramatically, and completely. That is why collectors say such coins can change fortunes overnight. It is also important to realize that the coin's worth is more than financial. It carries the weight of history in its design and substance. It tells the tale of an empire, of a queen in her youth, of a world before computers and the internet, of a society rooted in tradition, yet stepping toward the modern era. Owning this coin is like owning a time capsule, a tiny key to unlock the door of 1965. The market today is hungry for such rarities, with collectors in Europe, America, and Asia competing for the rarest and finest examples. The demand far exceeds supply. This is why the value of a good condition, copper-sided 1965 2 shillings coin is spoken of in millions. Wealthy investors know that coins are not just for museums. They are solid, tangible assets that never lose allure. Gold and silver rise and fall, but the historical coin market thrives on passion and rarity. In the end, the 1965 2 shillings coin is more than a collector's item. It is a symbol of possibility. From something so small, so seemingly ordinary, can come unimaginable wealth and life-changing fortune. If you have one in your hand today, you hold not only a coin but also a legend. Treat it with respect, guard it with care, and when the time comes, let its story be told to the world. For within that coin lies the power to turn dreams into reality and fortunes into empires. And so, the tale of the 2 shillings of 1965 continues to inspire. Whether it sits in a velvet-lined case, a family drawer, or the pocket of a lucky discoverer, its value goes beyond metal and money. It is a spark of history, a treasure of rarity, and a promise of unimaginable fortune. The legend says it can make you a billionaire overnight, and legends, once born in coins, have a way of becoming truth. Next up, the 1967 2 shillings coin is not just another piece of metal lost in the folds of history. It is a coin that has risen from the ashes of ordinary circulation to become one of the most fascinating symbols of hidden wealth and fortune. At first sight, it seems like a small, simple round token from Britain's pre-decimal era. Yet beneath its modest appearance lies the power to change lives overnight. For those who understand its value, this coin is not just a collector's item. It is a golden key to riches that can transform destiny. The year 1967 marked the end of an era. Britain was moving closer to decimalization, a complete transformation of its currency system. The shillings, florins, and crowns that had been in use for centuries were living their last days of circulation. And within this climate of change, the 1967 2 shillings coin was born, bearing the youthful effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the proud Tudor Rose on the reverse. It became a timeless symbol of national unity. Yet, what no one could have guessed was that some of these coins would survive with unusual features, making them worth unimaginable sums today. One of the most captivating qualities lies in the copper-tone variants that exist among these coins. While most were struck in standard copper-nickel, some examples display a deep reddish-brown glow, the so-called copper side. Whether through minting quirks, metal composition irregularities, or natural chemical toning, over decades, these coins look as though they were kissed by fire. Collectors instantly recognize the rarity of this appearance, and it is this copper aura that elevates the coin into the category of treasure. Condition also plays a decisive role. In numismatics, condition is king, and the 1967 2 shillings is no exception. The majority of coins from that era are worn, scratched, and dull by years of circulation. They were carried in purses, passed across counters, and rattled in pockets as daily currency. To find one today in good, almost uncirculated condition is to uncover a miracle. Every detail of the crown, rose, and thistle shines with sharpness. Every letter gleams with clarity, and the youthful face of the queen seems almost untouched by time. Such a specimen is not just rare, it is priceless. Collectors and investors are drawn to this coin because it captures the final breath of a monetary system that shaped centuries of British trade and identity. By 1971, the old shilling system was abolished, replaced by the new decimal pound. The coins of the past suddenly became relics, no longer needed for daily life. But while they vanished from pockets, they came alive in the world of collectors. Among them, the 1967 issue has grown into a legend, especially for those examples with a mysterious copper sheen. Now imagine this. A coin that once bought a simple loaf of bread or a train ticket is today worth millions in the eyes of determined collectors. That transformation is almost magical. What was ordinary has become extraordinary. This is why experts say the 1967 Two Shillings coin has the power to make someone a billionaire overnight. It is not a fairy tale, but a reality of the market, where rarity and demand collide to create values beyond reason. This coin is more than just wealth. It is history held in your hand. Every time you turn it over, you are touching a fragment of 1967. You are stepping back into an era where Britain was modernizing, where the Beatles were revolutionizing music, where the world was shifting toward color television and space exploration. In the midst of all this, the coin serves silently, passing from hand to hand, waiting for the day when its true worth will be revealed. The copper-sided examples, in particular, carry an aura of mystery. Were they the result of a minting experiment? Were they accidents that slipped through unnoticed? Or are they simply natural marvels created by decades of exposure to the elements? The answer may never be fully known, but that very uncertainty adds to their value. Collectors love mystery, and mystery commands a higher price than certainty ever could. And what about those who possess such a coin today? For them, life can change instantly. Auctions of rare coins often ignite bidding wars where millionaires compete against each other for ownership. A coin like this, presented at the right time, can leap from being a family keepsake to becoming the centerpiece of a global auction, fetching sums so staggering that even seasoned collectors gasp in disbelief. One cannot ignore the emotional power attached to the coin as well. It is not only money, but memory. It speaks of a queen in her prime, a nation in transition, and a world on the cusp of modernity. Owning the 1967 Two Shillings is like holding a tiny time machine, one that connects the past with the present in the most tangible way possible. Such emotional weight, combined with scarcity, is what makes its price soar into the millions. The fascination with coins like this is also fueled by human imagination. People love the idea that something so small, something overlooked for decades, can suddenly be recognized as priceless. It is a dream of finding treasure where no one else looked, of discovering gold in plain sight. The 1967 Two Shillings coin is a perfect example of that dream becoming real. When we talk of fortune, we often think of hard work, long hours, or risky investments. But here, fortune hides in plain sight, waiting quietly in drawers, boxes, and collections. It is this possibility that an ordinary person could stumble upon a coin and become unimaginably rich that gives the 1967 Two Shillings its mythic status. It is not just a coin, it is destiny disguised as metal. Even today, the market for this coin continues to grow. Collectors from America, Europe, and Asia are willing to spend more each year for pristine or rare tone examples. It is not simply about adding another coin to a collection. It is about owning a piece of history that few others can claim. The coin has become an object of desire, a status symbol, and a financial investment rolled into one. So, the 1967 Two Shillings coin stands as both legend and reality. To the casual observer, it may seem like just another relic from the past, but to the trained eye, it is a treasure chest compressed into a single disc of metal. Its copper glow, its historical echoes, its pristine survival, and its market demand all combine to create something beyond value. And those who hold it in their hands today truly possess a coin with the power to make fortunes overnight. In the end, this is a truth. The 1967 Two Shillings coin is not simply valuable. It is transformative. It has the ability to turn ordinary lives into extraordinary tales, to elevate the forgotten into the unforgettable. If you own one, hold it tightly, guard it, treasure it, and when the moment is right, let it reveal its power. Because this coin is not only real history, it is also real fortune, the kind that can rewrite your story in a single night.